The following is a tutorial on how to make your own Cat5 network patch cable. You will need the following tools: a crimping tool, a wire stripper, electrician scissors, pre-cut Cat5 cable, modular connectors, and a network cable tester. First, you cut to size, and then you're gonna strip the cable about 1 inch. You repeat the same thing on the other side. And you have to open the cables, and you have to follow the following sequence. It will be from left to right: orange and white stripe, orange, green and white stripe, blue, blue and white stripe, green, brown and white stripe, and brown. Next step, you're going to put them close together without losing the sequence. And you're going to cut at 90 degrees angle. Just enough to get into the modular connector without losing the sequence. The modular connector upside down, and you push it in all the way in through the channels. And you're going to crimp the modular connector and repeat the same in the other side. Without losing the sequence. (90 degrees angle cut). Upside down the modular connector. Push it all the way in. I need to cut it a little more, it's too long. Put it through. Crimp it. And you're going to take the cable tester to make sure that the crimp was successful. You're going to see that it goes all the way from top to bottom, lighting all the lights. That's a perfect crimp. Thank you.